People ties. I'm especially pleased to be able to make Nigeria part of my first visit, virtual visit, to Africa as Secretary of State. And thank you so much to you and your team for making this visit such a good one. And I really wish we could be meeting in person again in Abuja. I look forward to the day when that's possible. But meanwhile, thank you for your virtual hospitality. I also want to thank my friend, the Foreign Minister, for joining today and for our good conversations, and I'm so pleased to be working with him again. Your Excellency, Mr. President, our relations have been strong for 60 years, and I'm honored to have the opportunity to work with you and your team on building on that foundation and charting a shared vision to guide our strategic partnership for the coming years. I look forward to discussing our cooperation and responding to a challenge to all of humanity, COVID-19, as well as our sustained efforts to strengthen global health security, so we're better prepared for the next disease outbreak. I also hope to discuss how we can build our economies back even better and stronger after the pandemic, growing them and making them more equitable. Investing in protecting the most vulnerable communities in our countries, I think, contributes to our goal of building a lasting security for Americans and for Nigerians. And of course, another challenge we face is the climate crisis. We were very grateful to you for being able to participate in the Leaders Summit last week that President Biden convened. We look forward to exploring ways that we can work together even more closely to reduce emissions and adapt to the inevitable changes to come. Our binational commission between the United States and Nigeria gives us and gives our governments the chance to evaluate every year the progress that we've made toward our joint goals, strengthening democratic institutions, promoting economic diversification and trade, expanding our security cooperation. We're very much looking forward to the BNC later this year and the chance it offers to improve our cooperative efforts. So thank you again for a very warm welcome. Thank you for hosting us, and I very much look forward to hearing from you, and then at some point in the future, hopefully seeing you in person again.
Excellency, on your appointment as Secretary of State of the United States, and wish you a very successful tenure. Nigeria attaches great importance to the relations with the United States. Let me, in this connection, express appreciation to President Joe Biden for his welcome and reaching decision to repeal the immigration restrictions known as the Muslim ban on travel and visas for citizens predominantly from Muslim nations and African countries, including Nigeria. I also wish to congratulate the United States for rejoining the World Health Organization and Paris Agreement on climate change. The leadership of the United States in these two organizations is crucial for international community. This action is a demonstration of the United States' commitment in championing and supporting international organizations with the aim to build a better world for all. In this regard, Nigeria remains resolute in her commitment to supporting global efforts as enshrined on the Paris Agreement on climate change, which seeks to limit global warming and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The convening of the Climate Change Summit last week, Joe Biden, is a strong indication of the renewed interest of the United States to the Paris Agreement. The security challenges in Nigeria remain of great concern to us and impacted more negatively by existing complex negative pressures in the Sahel, Central Africa, and West Africa, as well as the Lake Chad region. Compounded as the situation remains, Nigeria and her security forces remain resolutely committed to containing them and addressing their root causes. The support of important and strategic partners like the United States cannot be overstated, as the consequences of insecurity will affect all nations, hence the imperative for concerned cooperation and collaboration of all nations to overcome these challenges. In this connection, and considering the growing security challenges in West and Central Africa, the Gulf of Guinea, Lake Chad region, and the Sahel, weighing heavily on Africa, underscores the need for the United States to consider relocating AFRICOM headquarters from Stuttgart in Germany to Africa and near the theater of operations. On the part of Nigeria, I renew calls for enhanced collaboration in all forms with our friends and strategic partners to work together for greater security for all, the most significant condition for overcoming these existential challenges. Thank you again, Mr. Secretary of State, for this meeting, and kindly extend my best wishes to President Biden. Thank you.